Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we are back with some cruise news for you. We have another protocol update, another protocol change, this time from Carnival Cruise Lines, but it's not what you think it is. We know that Norwegian Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, Celebrity Cruise Lines are no longer going to be requiring masks for the vaccinated. And you'd think that's what Carnival would update, but no, it's not. What Carnival is actually updated is beginning here on February the 14th, 2022, they are once again going to allow smoking in their casinos. Now, you must be actively sitting down, playing in the casino in order to be able to smoke in there. So the only time you don't have to wear your mask in the casino is when you're actively eating, drinking, and once again, smoking. Now, I know this is not going to be the most popular protocol change out there. There are a ton of people that don't want smoking in the casinos at all. There's also some that are very adamant that they should be allowed to smoke in the casino. Let's remember, Chris is just the messenger, just the guy telling you all about the protocols. I'm not saying the smokers are right or the non-smokers are right. So let's not beat me up in the comments over this Carnival change. And believe it or not, Carnival's not the only one. Royal Caribbean is also going to allow smoking once again in the casinos starting on February the 15th of 2022. So pretty much after this weekend, Monday and Tuesday, Carnival Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, smoking once again in the casinos. All right, so directly from Carnival Cruise Lines website, I'm going to take a quick look at this here. It says casino, effective with cruises departing on or after Monday, February the 14th of 2022. There is no smoking in the casino unless you are seated and playing. Seats at gaming tables and slots are reserved for players only. Guests must wear a face mask unless they are actively smoking or drinking their beverage. The casino bar is open, but is a no smoking area. Smoking is not permitted in the casino when it is closed, and smoking is not allowed anywhere on board during refueling. And there's the changes directly from Carnival. I find the refueling one, though, a little amusing. I mean, we all know the ship is refueling on embarkation day, and you can't smoke while the ship is what they call bunkering, which of course is taking on fuel. But you would be surprised at the number of comments on Carnival stuff where people are actually mad and upset, saying foul language stuff to Carnival because they get on the cruise ship and they can't smoke for 5 and 6 hours because the ship is refueling. Enough to the point where I actually think that that is part of the reason why Carnival put in you can't smoke during refueling. Seems like it would be, a common sense thing. You're not supposed to be smoking a cigarette while you're gassing up your vehicle. Why would you be able to smoke a cigarette while you're gassing up a ship? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But just wanted to get that out there, share that with everybody, let you know that, yep, if you get on a cruise ship with Carnival or Royal Caribbean starting here next week, you may find the smoke once again in the air when you walk through the casinos. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.